What is very unique about the structural framing is that we are able to use repetition in the concrete element sizes, the beams and the columns, to create that geometry that is so different. One of our most challenging projects, if you look at the way that the building blocks are laid out, the engineers have actually applied productive technologies, and there is a certain interaction between all the various elements that comes together. When you first arrive at SJ campus, the first thing you notice is this grand drop-off canopy spanning 16-meter cantilever at an ultra-slim proportion, work in harmony with the concavity of its building support.
Today is raining, you could see, but the floor is pretty dry. If you refer to the proportions of the roof structures, it is a freestanding, three-dimensional, ultra-slim profile to an aspect ratio of 1:40. Unlike typical roof structures that either comes with tie-back cables or columns, the three-dimensional profiling of it enables us to come up with this sort of functional engineering artwork.
The central spine, which is made up of the series of A-frame steel spine, has to cater for the movement between the eastern block and the western block.
On the western block, it is a clear-cut slanting sloping wall geometry. Towards the eastern side, you could see that there is a cantilevered telescopic. This is where the central spine of the building stitches the right-hand office tower blocks. You could see the delicateness of this steel spine, that sense of space. The shape itself opens up the entire thoroughfare for people to walk in to enjoy the surroundings that you have.
As you stand in the middle of the atrium spaces, you will see this beautiful symphony of structural elements around you.
On my left, the sky laneways framing into the pedestrian A-frame that we see. And on my right-hand side, you could see the multi-story hanging blocks between the two blocks. It is a very clever way to use airspace because you have a lot of usable space below it. A innovatively positioned Warren truss at the top, and it hangs 3-story of usable office space without having to have any footprint on the ground, therefore enabling this entire atrium space to grow even larger.
The greatest satisfaction from the perspective of an engineer is the validation of our design. The public and the private can really enjoy the outcome of innovative engineering, a product that is sustainable, that is highly productive, that is highly livable.